Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox using a Bluetooth keyboard on your iPad. First, ensure your iPad's Bluetooth is turned on within the Settings application. Next, put your Bluetooth keyboard into its pairing mode, usually by holding a specific button. Finally, select your keyboard from the list of available devices that appears on your iPad screen. This simple three-step process establishes the initial connection, allowing your iPad to recognize the keyboard for input. Once connected, Roblox generally integrates well with your keyboard. You will find that character movement is typically controlled using the W, A, S, and D keys, similar to many computer games. Other actions, like jumping or interacting, might be assigned to keys such as the spacebar or E. Remember to explore the in-game settings of specific Roblox experiences, as some may offer custom keybind options for a tailored gameplay experience. To truly enhance your Roblox experience, leverage the keyboard for precise character navigation and quick actions. While the keyboard handles movement, you can still use the iPad's touchscreen for camera control or specific in-game interactions. For optimal comfort and stability during extended play sessions, place your iPad and keyboard on a stable, flat surface. This setup provides a more immersive and responsive gaming environment, giving you an edge in many Roblox adventures. If you encounter any issues, a few simple troubleshooting steps can help. Always ensure both your iPad and Bluetooth keyboard have sufficient battery life. If you notice any input lag or unresponsiveness, try disconnecting and then reconnecting the keyboard through your iPad's Bluetooth settings. Additionally, keeping your iPad's operating system updated to the latest version can resolve compatibility issues and improve overall performance, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.